In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to use the Spear & Jackson Cordless Pressure Cleaner. Firstly, insert a fully charged battery. A click will be heard when it is correctly fitted. Next, connect the hose to the body of the pressure washer. If you would like to use the bucket instead of connecting to a tap, first ensure that the filter is attached. Alternatively, remove the filter to use the pressure washer with an outside tap. Next, adjust the handle by pressing in the button and moving the handle to your desired position. You can now adjust the nozzle setting depending on what you are cleaning. The soft setting can be used for delicate surfaces. We recommend using the medium setting for washing cars. Lastly, the hard setting for paving stones and bricks. We recommend doing research on the best setting for what you are cleaning. To begin using the pressure washer, press the safety lock with your thumb whilst engaging the trigger. Allow 15 seconds before there is a steady stream of water. If you intend to use the pressure washer for approximately 20 minutes, we recommend pressing the Eco button. Doing this will reduce the water pressure but prolong the usage time. Release the trigger when you're finished using the pressure washer. Before packing away the pressure washer, we recommend removing the battery to avoid reducing the life of the battery. Your Spear & Jackson pressure washer is now ready to use.